What's up? Uptown Swing level 1, 8 count.
Elizabeth.
Teacher. Here is what we did. We started like this. We did the right foot. We did rock, step, bam, rock, step, bam. After we did that, we did the scoops. Remember? That gave you the triple step. That feeling? We would put that in the bam. So we would rock, step, scoop. Rock, step, scoop. The footwork is step, step, triple step, 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 triple step. We did that a million times. Once we got that going, you can practice this one. This is the number one thing you should practice. Leaders start on your left.
Followers start on your right.
Footwork in place. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A million times. It will really, really help. Then we did these moves. We did the flip-flop. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. Just like here. We did the yo-yo. We did the reverse yo-yo. I leave my hands one front. And we did the stop and shake. Rock, step, bam, and shake to the best of your ability.